how to make art as a full-time career using social media. Are you an artist who is tired of hearing art is just a hobby and you can't make money from art? No, all these things are not true if you follow the right ways of using social media. Your social media can earn six-figure income for you if you use it in a proper way to build your online art business. Hi, I am Lavanya Siddeshwar. I had quit my healthcare profession to build a six-figure online art business and I was able to do it successfully. Now I help other artists to make a profitable business using social media. Here I show you the step-by-step process how you can build your online art teaching business. The first and foremost thing is having a right mindset. Yes, you have heard it right. Having a right mindset is very important. First, you stop treating your art as a hobby and you need to think like a business, and this is something new that you have started and you have to grow your business like any other business owner does. You need to value your work. Stop giving away your artworks for free or just doing free classes. All these things are not going to benefit you in any which way and it is decreasing the value of your work. So first you stop doing that and lately start learning about the business. So there are so many books are available about the mindset and being a business owner. Even though you are an artist who wants to make a profession, you need to think like a business owner. For that you need to read lot of books. If you don't have time, at least start listening to audio books when you are working on something else. And you need to have an open mindset to change certain things in your business. Always don't be very restricted with your ideas. Try to take ideas openly and try to implement new things every now and then in your business. Apart from the mindset, what is important is having a right social media platform. I know there are so many different social media platforms available right now. If you try to be there on each and every platform, you might get overwhelmed and after some point of time, you may start quitting it because you are investing lot of time into all the platforms like including Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, Threads, like there's so many different platforms are there. So never try to do all the platforms at once. Instead, stick to any one platform in the beginning, grow that platform, okay? Start to learn about that platform. If you are somebody who doesn't have much knowledge of video editing, or if you don't want to spend so much money and time into crafting the perfect videos, Instagram can be the best platform. You heard it right. So even though like there are trending reels which are overly edited on Instagram, but still Instagram prioritizes the original content. And here you don't have to upload long form of videos. You just have to upload a small video, right? That is even 10 seconds or 30 seconds videos, and this is easy to make in the beginning. Also, you can post your photos of your artworks or behind the scene pictures. It is very easy to use platform, and also you can connect your Instagram with your Facebook page and Threads to more visibility. So if you just connect your Instagram with Facebook and Threads, with single click you can be there on 3 different platforms. How amazing is that? And if you are somebody who is looking for a long-term visibility and if you are okay to put little extra effort, then go with the YouTube. YouTube is an amazing platform in terms of SEO. So whatever that you upload today, even after 5 years or 10 years, people can search and see your videos if you are making a educational content like how I am making in this channel. Videos which I have posted 3 or 4 years back, they are getting still views and clients for me even now. So that is the power of having a SEO based platform. Now you understood how to choose the platform and what mindset you need to have. Now let us understand what type of content you need to post on these social media platforms. There is a misconception that just posting your amazing artwork, you get clients. No. First, you need to stop thinking like this, because just posting your artwork doesn't sell your work. Okay? You need to start sharing the story behind your work. Why you paint, what is the passion behind it, what is the purpose of you being an artist, or what motivates you to paint. Sometimes show the behind the scenes, show your process, show your studio. So all this makes beautiful connection between you and your audience. People fall in love with your art before they buy. So that's why this is very, very important. People connect with another human being more deeply rather than any robot, right? So don't become a robot just by posting your finished artwork photos. Rather, share your story, show up, speak to your audience, do live streams, talk to them, answer their questions, and make them involved in your process. So that's what earns you trust, and it earns you fans as well. Many people stuck in this specific point. Many people are chasing the wrong things when they are on social media. That is, people just count that how many followers they are increasing, and they'll be very much focused on this number of likes, number of followers on their posts. But this number of followers or likes doesn't turn into rupees or dollars. Okay, they don't pay your bills. What is important is you need to have some products to sell, and you need to know how to do it effectively. Show your students work. If you are somebody who wants to grow your online classes, show your students work, show your workspace, and tell them what is the value that you provide in your courses. If you are somebody who is trying to sell paintings, speak about your work. Share the essence. If they are having this painting at their home, what is the advantage of that? What kind of feel that provides for this environment, and make it easy for your customers to approach you. So maybe your content is amazing, but if customers or audience are not able to approach you, then also you are losing sales, right? So make the contact information easily available in your profile, and also in each and every post try to mention how your customers can contact you. Give them some call to action at each and every post that you share on your social media. If you are somebody who is really serious about building a 6-figure online art teaching business this year, I have something special for you. I am conducting this workshop called How to Build 6-Figure Online Art Teaching Business. Already hundreds of artists have gotten benefited from this workshop, and they are able to make 6-figure income after this workshop. Here I am going to teach step-by-step process of how you can build your online art teaching business, what equipments you need. Also, I will be discussing on pricing and announcement strategies for getting more students in your online classes. Here you will also learn about social media presence, what type of content you need to create on social media, and how to present yourself as a trustworthy brand using a social media. So if you are somebody who is ready to start or grow your online art teaching business, check the link below I have added and register right away. I'll see you in the workshop. And if you want to learn how to sell your paintings or courses using social media, check this video I have added at the end.